Is your MacBook fan suddenly loud? Let's diagnose it in 1 minute. Listen closely. Does the noise start at boot, under load, or while charging? Open Activity Monitor and sort by CPU to find heavy processes. Check temperatures with a sensor app or built-in readings for CPU and GPU. Look for browser tabs, background apps, or rendering tasks using high resources. Also inspect vents and positioning. Use a flat, hard surface for better airflow. Fix 1. Quit heavy apps, close extra tabs, or end resource-hungry processes. Fix 2. Reset the SMC on Intel Macs to restore proper fan control. Fix 3. Update macOS. System updates often include thermal and performance fixes. Fix 4. Clean vents carefully with compressed air and avoid blocking airflow. If the fan still runs loudly, contact Apple support or visit an authorized service provider. If this helped, like and subscribe for more quick Mac tips.